It is the focus on the big Karnataka elections and also the entire controversy about the Kerala story. In fact, it's a film on conversion, on radicalization and ISIS terror that is breaking all records at the box office. As per trade analysts, the film already has made a business of 35.25 crore rupees. It's witnessing a growing trend. There is a lot of chatter, a lot of conversation around this particular movie, and also a good amount of political fight on the movie that continues. Mamata Banerjee is the latest one to respond, and this is what she says.
Political party play with fire, with casteism, or division, or divide and rule politics. Why they
called this entire movie a piece of propaganda? Well, that's what a lot of opposition parties have been calling it, a piece of propaganda. And Amit Shah, in fact, speaking to Republic TV exclusively yesterday as the Karnataka campaign continues. Today is the last day of the campaigning for Karnataka elections. He said that what the Kerala story is really highlighting are social issues which need to be addressed in this country. Also attacking the Congress, he said that the Congress is turning a blind eye to the social issues. So, Deepthi, essentially we are seeing that there's a big political fight over the Kerala story, even after it has such a successful opening at the box office. We are still seeing that politics is continuing. Now, the Prime Minister has also lauded the Kerala story for exposing the truth. He said the movie is in vogue these days, and how terroristic conspiracies are being nurtured in Kerala, a state which is otherwise known for being a beautiful land of hardworking, talented and intellectual people. The truth is being unveiled by this movie, Deepthi. So right now we're seeing a very successful turnout when it comes to the Kerala story. It's making big numbers at the box office. Despite that fact, still getting these comments coming in from some left parties, from opposition parties as well, where they're targeting the movie and continuing to say that the movie is showing all lies. It's nothing more than a piece of propaganda. Back to you, Deepthi.
Not the very first time that you have a movie that has generated that kind of a controversy, but a lot of people wanting to link this with the upcoming elections in the state of Karnataka, and this is where the BJP top brass is hitting right back. Shivangi, as I say thank you to you, but also making way to listen in to a...
एक सामाजिक समस्या है और किसी भी राजनेता ने, सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता ने सामाजिक समस्या के
exposes such type of terrorism, and as I said, that it has got nothing to do with the state or the religion, but it is certainly to do with the nation and world at large. So we all should unite and fight it out. All, one and all, should fight it out and expose such type of activities and terrorist activities going on here, and the society should be enlightened about it, and we should certainly take note of it.
मगर अब प्रधानमंत्री एक्टर के साथ साथ पिक्चर के प्रोमोटर भी बन गए। एक देश का प्रधानमंत्री जो अंबेडकर के बनाए समय महिलाओं को दिखा के झूठ बोलते, पहले कहा तूने 32,000 महिला, कोर्ट को गए तो तुम 3 पे ला लिया। अरे क्या तुम कितना झूठ बोलोगे? पेट पालने के तरीके कुछ और भी हो सकते हैं ना तुम्हारे। तुम झूठ फैला रहे, नफरत फैला रहे। आईसिस के खिलाफ जितने भारत में मुसलमानों के रिलीजियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, वो सब कंडेम करे उसको। और भारत से अगर कोई आईसिस में ज्वाइन किया तो इंडियन डायस्पोरा ज़्यादा लोग गए, और सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ से गए? वेस्टर्न कंट्री से गए आईसिस में ज्वाइन हुए, चाहे वो इंग्लैंड हो, अमेरिका हो, फ्रांस हो, बेल्जियम हो, ये सो कॉल्ड डेवलप्ड डेमोक्रेसी से गए। हिस्ट्री विल ऑलवेज रिपीट इटसेल्फ अगर हम अपने आप को करेक्ट नहीं करेंगे। तो हिस्ट्री क्यों पढ़ते हम लोग? हिस्ट्री इसलिए पढ़ते कि भाई वो पहले गलती हुई थी, हम गलती नहीं करेंगे। वो गलती नहीं करना चाहिए।
तो गलती हो रही है इंडिया।
आप देखिए, मैं तो आपको बता रहा हूँ ना, वो गलती नहीं करना चाहिए हमको।